If you're getting the Premiere Pro error compiling movie, Selector 9, error code 3, you're not alone. This is one of those frustrating export errors that usually shows up when Premiere has trouble with GPU hardware acceleration during H.264 exporting. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it with a few simple changes without losing your entire project. In this video, I'll walk you through the most reliable solution step by step, and if this helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tutorials like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, the most common fix is to switch your export from hardware encoding to software encoding. To do that, go to your export settings, then expand the video tab and click more if needed to see the full encoding options. Under encoding settings, look for performance. If it's set to hardware encoding, change it to software encoding. This is often the fastest way to get around Selector 9 error code 3 because it removes the GPU from the export process and lets Premiere use the CPU instead. After making that change, try exporting again and see if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next thing to do is change your renderer to software only. Go up to File, then open Project Settings and click General. In that window, find Video Rendering and Playback. If it's set to Mercury Playback Engine GPU acceleration, switch it to Mercury Playback Engine software only. This can help if the problem is coming from GPU acceleration not playing nicely with your current project, effects, or media format. Once you switch it, click OK and try your export again. Now, let's clean up one of the most overlooked causes of export errors: the media cache. Over time, Premiere Pro builds up cache files that can become outdated or corrupted, and that can absolutely trigger export problems. To clear it, go to Edit, then Preferences, and choose Media Cache. In that window, click Delete next to Remove Media Cache Files. You can clear the unused cache files, and if needed, remove the media cache database as well. After that, restart Premiere Pro and test the export again. A fresh cache can solve issues that seem random or impossible at first. If the error only happens at a certain point in the timeline, then the problem may be a specific clip. A corrupted file, a strange codec, or even one heavy effect can cause Premiere to fail at the exact same timestamp every time. To find it, try exporting again and pay attention to the point where the render stops. Then go to that section in your timeline and isolate the clip or effect causing the issue. You can remove the clip entirely, replace it with a cleaner version, or right-click and choose Render Into Out to pre-render that section before exporting. If the clip came from a phone, screen recording, or another editor, it may be using a format that Premiere struggles with. In that case, converting it to a more edit-friendly format can also help. Another important step is updating your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause all kinds of export and playback problems in Premiere Pro, especially when hardware acceleration is involved. Go to your graphics card manufacturer's website, such as Nvidia, AMD, or Intel, and install the latest stable driver for your system. If you recently updated and the problem started after that, you may want to test by temporarily disabling hardware accelerated decoding as well, since some systems respond better with that feature turned off. The key is to reduce the chance of a GPU conflict during export. If you've tried all of that and the error is still happening, one more helpful step is to duplicate the sequence and simplify it. Remove heavy effects, third-party plugins, adjustment layers, or unusual transitions one by one until the export works. That can help you pinpoint exactly what is causing the Selector 9 error code 3 message. In many cases, it's not the whole project that's broken, it's just one element in the timeline that Premiere doesn't like. So to recap, the best fixes are: switch to software encoding, change the renderer to software only, clear the media cache, isolate any problematic clips, and update your GPU drivers or disable hardware accelerated decoding if needed. Those steps solve the majority of Premiere Pro error compiling movie Selector 9 error code 3 issues. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Premiere Pro troubleshooting tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more export errors and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.